Before coming to this bootcamp, I was really nervous.
I really like the idea of choosing to build a startup and solving real world problems.
Growth doesn't happen in the comfort zone. It happens only when you say, okay, let's give it a try.
NIAT honestly wants our students to succeed. NIAT wants you people to solve world level problems. Whatever you people will experience full-fledgedly for 4 complete years, you guys will be having the similar kind of experience for a short span of 3 days.
So this is just the first step I'm taking, and I'm hopefully making good progress in the next 4 years.
You will get to know the importance of community building.
Community building is really important. People realize it after completing the graduation. Implementing this at the earlier stage is really important. There are 2 major aspects what we covered in this community building. One is collecting the dots and connecting the dots.
It was a great thing to strangers, to friends.
We are meeting new friends from different states, different districts.
Day one when I walked in, I thought I am like a one-man army and I will do everything by myself. But I have realized that I need people to, build things.
I'm pretty sure the session why we started with the vision that has successfully done.
We are gonna build a smartwatch. The thing you're wearing, the smartwatch you're wearing, you will be creating it with your own 2 hands.
If they combine AI with IoT, they would innovate some miracles.
I'm looking for IoT sessions where we are building robotics.
With zero knowledge to full on creating the smartwatch. And the energy of the students is so high.
When the smartwatch started working, I was literally like, yeah, I did it.
It's really cool to build something before even your college starts.
And neuroscience is going to get much more exciting because, the kids are going to have a fun time controlling things with their minds. We use electrodes to connect directly to the muscles. From here, we can control a game directly on the laptop.
As an electronics student from 12, I felt it a little confusing at first, but it was amazing with all those codes, all those wires, all the dyno games. It was really amazing.
I would say the very same level of excitement that I had in the day 1 is maintained till the day 3. This is the rare moments where I did not get bored very easily.
Humanoid robot. What is humanoid robot? It is a physical artificial intelligence. So you guys will experience physical AI live. The moment you start experiencing it, you will start enjoying it, and you will realize that, okay, this is how my next 4 years is going to look.
I'm really looking forward to how robotics, how it works, how do we build them. I'm curious to learn how it actually works.
What we learned in 3 days is something that people won't build even after a year of education.
In this current era of AI and machine learning, be open-minded and choose NIAT. You are not going to regret it.
I'm not going to run in the rat race and I'm going to take a different decision. And here I am today with a very good decision and I'm really clear about it and happy about it.